Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about arrays of objects, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, you can create arrays of objects just like you would with arrays of any other type. For example, you could create an array of dog objects. The below first line would create an array of 5 dog objects, each with uninitialized values for its data members. You can also create an array of objects and initialize each object with specific values, as shown in the second line. This would create an array of 3 dog objects, each with specific values for its data members. You can access the individual elements of the array using square brackets, just like shown in the third line. This would call the bark member function on each of the dog object in the dogs array, causing each dog to bark. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.